Wow guys, great to see you again. We're gonna have some awesome new Dinotrux toys to add to our collection. And I will show you all these awesome toys in this huge Dinotrux surprise box of toys.
Welcome to WDToys. Have fun.
Wow guys, keep watching as we unbox all these awesome Dinotrux toys and take a closer look at them. Wow! We have a lot of Dinotrux toys here. We are gonna have a lot of fun, guys. Also, guys, I have unboxed all of these toys here and done awesome like dino battles with Jurassic World and Jurassic Park dinosaurs. So go ahead and check out the Dinotrux playlist at the end of this video. Wow, we're gonna have a lot of fun. Let's get started. The four new ones we're gonna be looking at are Dinotrux Green Ty Rux, Dinotrux Battering Ram Skya. We have Shadow Ty Rux from Dinotrux and Dinotrux Rekka. Cool. So we'll take a look at those four and then we'll go ahead and take a look at all these awesome Dinotrux toys. Wow, that's gonna be fun. Okay, so the first one we're gonna start with is the Battering Ram Skya. She looks really cool. She's got some really heavy armor here on her neck and her head. And of course her head is a battering ram now, so that's cool. Let's take a look at the back first. This is Battering Ram Skya, class of Cranosaur. Opponent will live to regret going into battle with Battering Ram Skya. Cool. Can bust through walls of metal and knock out whole packs of scraptors. Forged metal armor plates can withstand any attack. Pointed helmet perfect for ramming action. Cool. Let's go ahead and check her out. Haha, I like that. So this one I think is set, yeah, to pull the tail. So when you pull the tail, actually you just have to move the tail. And she lowers her head for battering ram action and then bam! Off she goes. She could slam right through walls or take out big groups of scraptors. That is really cool. And take a look at her. Here you can see, I mean, she's really armored except for her head sticking out the top right there. So she does have tank treads, but she really rolls on these four wheels here. So she rolls along really nice and smooth. Okay, let's see who was next. Okay, our next one was Shadow Ty Rux. Cool. Let's check out his bio on the back. It says Shadow Ty Rux, class T-Trux, undercover T-Trux, custom jet black paint job created by Tortools. Sneaks around in the dark of night for daring rescues. Mighty wrecking ball tail transforms into fierce claw. Cool. Let's check him out. Awesome. So, Shadow Ty Rux is really cool. I'll show you some other bigger Shadow Ty Ruxes I have. So he has this ball here. Oops. Sorry. I was way off target. He has this ball here, ball chain that moves back and forth. But the other Shadow Ty Rux actually has, the bigger one, he actually has like this crane thing that he could use to pick stuff up. How cool is that? So that's the bigger Shadow Ty Rux, which I will show you guys in a moment. Here is a look at the front, at the other side. Rolls really nice and smooth. It has tank treads, but it rolls on wheels, just like the other Dinotrux characters. Cool. And then our next one is this awesome green Ty Rux. By the way, all of these are die-cast metal, so they are pretty durable. Oh, they put a sticker right over his bio. Okay, I got most of it uncovered. It says green Ty Rux, class Ty Rux. With baby Tortools on the Rampage, Ty Rux is painted a bright shade of green. Bright coloring can draw attention away from other trucks, can blend into unusual environments, make Skya and Tuntun laugh hysterically. That's awesome. He does look kind of funny when he's colored green. I think if I was Skya and Tortool, I would laugh hysterically too. Sorry, that was Skya and Tuntun. I would laugh hysterically too because he does look really funny. I mean, check him out. I mean, his regular color is red. That's the color we are all used to seeing Ty Rux be. And then he's painted green. I mean, he looks almost like a clown. So this one, his mouth moves up and down. He moves up and down. The ball here swings back and forth. Guys, you could buy a lot of these Dinotrux toys still on Amazon. I'll put a link below the video where you could go ahead and check them out. So he does move up and down, swings the ball. You could move his arms. There. And the normal price for these is about $6, but you're probably going to pay more because they're hard to find at stores now. And once again, 4 wheels, rolls along, really nice and smooth. And then our fourth one is Rekka. She looks really cool. Let's check out her bio. It says Rekka, class Ankylo Dump, tough thrill-seeking Ankylo Dump. Roams with crew called the Dumps. Retractable grinding tail for smashing rocks. Mega tires for jumping ramps and grinding cliffs with her 2 daredevil bros, Drago and Scoot. Awesome. Sounds like Tuntun would like her because Tuntun likes taking all those risks also. So, let's check her out. It says move tail. Oh, okay, so if you move... Oh, okay, so it says move tail. So if you move her tail, her dump moves back and forth. So she does look a lot like Tuntun, except like a gold color instead of like a blue. So she is female. Dump truck. Big battering ram. Tail. She is full of, this is probably some type of ore, and she does have tires. She moves along really nice and smooth. So here is the 4 that we opened today, and now let's go ahead and take a look at the box of these awesome Dinotrux toys. Wow, this is a good addition to a lot of other ones we already have. Hey, the first toy we have is a giant talking rolling Skya.
Right, yeah.
So if you push her,
Better use my conveyor belt.
she lifts her head and makes different sounds.
Going up.
And she also rolls, and she's a lot of fun. And then the next one is a talking Dozer.
It's about the best thing you could have. Hey, I'm Dozer here.
How cool is that?
Watch out for my blade. Out of my way.
And then we have a giant talking Garby. If you you load balls into its mouth here, and when you pull up the back, it shoots the balls out the back side,
What deadly?
and he talks.
Name's Garby.
So this one's a lot of fun too. And then, of course, their best one, the huge talking Ty Rux toy. When you push it, it moves. It's the sides move up and down. He
Wrecking ball
talks.
coming through.
He roars.
I can dig it.
His eyes light up.
Let's get building. Name's Ty Rux, but you can call me Ty. Or.
And then he has a giant swinging tail here. So this guy is totally awesome.
Wrecking ball coming through.
And then we have a giant Skya play set. This one has a working hook here that goes up and down. Her mouth opens and closes. You could lean her forward to create a ramp for the Dinotrux Toys to go flying down and flying up into the air. So this set is a lot of fun also. And then we have a talking shadow Ty Rux.
Scraptors, can't stand those guys. Look out! Scraptors! Brute power is no match for brain power.
And this one has like a claw on the back you could use to pick stuff up, and then you can move them up and down here. So this guy's really cool too. And then we have a giant D-Structs playset. If you do it down a certain amount of times, his mouth will snap shut. Ah, he's got me! We have a talking
Dinotrux.
puppet Ty Rux.
I make this look easy. Great job. Let me help. We're crushing it. It's time we got a little crazy around here. I could do this all day.
We got a giant talking Revvit
Reptool for the win.
with a spinning bit up here. You could change out to different bits.
Let's pull it out. I suggest caution.
And he has a tape measure tongue.
I will etch your plan. Time to sketch schematics.
Another talking Ty Rux toy.
Great job.
With a swinging ball.
We can do anything. We're Dinotrux.
You got a big rolling Ton. If you roll him, his back moves up and down, and his head. Also, pull back D-Structs. If you pull him back, he'll run. And also, his mouth will move up and down. I also have reviews of all their story sets and a lot of die-cast figures. Let's see who we've got. Okay, first we got the die-cast Garby, die-cast Ton. We've got a big die-cast Ty Rux, another smaller die-cast Ty Rux, and still another die-cast Ty Rux. We've got two die-cast D-Structs, and then we have two more die-cast Ty Rux figures. So we actually have 5 die-cast Ty Rux figures. Some are different. This one's a really nice shiny one that came in one of the sets. And then we have a die-cast Skya. We've got a die-cast Dozer, a die-cast Rollodon, a die-cast Ton. We've got, it looks like 4 die-cast Revvits, another die-cast Ton, so we've got 2 of those. Tortool, we've got 3 die-cast Tortools. The reason I have so many doubles and triples is some of these come in sets, so that is pretty cool. And then a Scrapadactyl. Well, actually, this is I believe this is Scrapadactyl. I I apologize. This is Scrapadactyl. So this guy is really cool looking. We've got 3 Scraptors here. This one actually rolls. And then we have a die-cast Waldo. And a couple other miscellaneous die-cast ones. So you can see here I got a huge pile. These are all my die-cast Dinotrux figures, so I got a lot of them besides the big talking ones. So like I said, if you go to the end of this video, I've got full reviews of all of these, unboxing them, and also fun storylines where they have to protect themselves from huge Jurassic World dinosaurs, and it's a lot of fun. Okay guys, so this was our awesome Dinotrux Dinosaur Zoo. If you enjoyed it, make sure you click like, drop me comments what other toys you want to see reviewed, because I do listen to people's suggestions, and many times the toys they want to see reviewed I end up reviewing. Guys, I love doing this. This is my job. I love doing my job. And you could help to support my channel and see more awesome toys simply by viewing and dropping me comments, letting me know what you liked, what you didn't like, so I know which toys to buy. Wow, that's a lot of fun. Guys, this is my job. I love doing my job. And if you do like Dinotrux toys, I'll have a link below the video where you could buy some of them. Wow, guys, you are awesome, and I will see you. Click the subscribe button below for a lot more fun videos. Also, click the bell button to be notified every time I make a new video. Click the boxes below for a lot more fun videos, and if you want to see even more, go ahead and click the subscribe button.